Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I, we start the ninth chapter Heredity and Evolutions concept in modules. So today we start for now the consider a third situation. Yesterday is completed two situations. Now the considers a third situation. In this, as the beetles population begin to expand, the bushes start the suffering from a plant disease. The amount of leaf materials for the beetles is reduced, therefore the beetles are poorly nourished. The average weight of the adult beetles decreases due to inability of the leaves, but there is no genetic change occurring after a few years and a few beetles. Generation of such security, the plant disease is the eliminated after a few years and a few beetles generated of such security. The plant's disease in eliminated. There is a lot of leaf, food and bait of the beetles also increases. Here, the change in size was a change in the phenotype and hence was not inheritable. The change in size was a change in the phenotype and hence was not inheritable. Change in size could not produce any variation and evolution in the species. So inherited traits. Let me start. Inherited traits. Inherited traits are traits in an organism due to the changes in the genetic compositions, and it can be passed from one generation to the next, and it result in evolution. Inherited traits are the traits in an organism due to the change in the genetic compositions, and it can be passed from one generation to the next, and it result in evolution. Is a completely change of our parental character, so it's called as a evolutions. Inherited traits include things such as hair color, eye color, muscles structure, bone structures, and even features like the shape of a nose. Inherited traits include things such as the hair color, eye color, muscles structure, bone structure, and even features like the shape of a nose. Acquired traits. Acquired traits are the traits which are acquired in the organism during its lifetime, and it cannot be passed from one generation to the next, and it does not result in the evolution on the one generation to the next, and it does not result in evolutions. Acquired traits that include things such as the illness on the fingers, larger muscle size from the exercise, or the from evident predators. Behavior. Behaviors that the help on the organism survive the would also be considered the acquired the characteristic most of the time. Thing like where to hide, what the animals to hide from, and the other behavior like that. For the plant, acquired the characteristic might include the bending because of the wind or growth, the resulting from instant from the insects wide species, a collection of organisms which can the reproduce among themselves. Example, the species homo sapiens. So human scientific name is Homo sapiens. Homo means and is and sapiens. So species is the Homo sapiens. Speciations, the process by which the new species develop from the existing the species is known as speciations. It is the and the events that the splits and the populations of the same species into two independent species which cannot reproduce among them. The speciations, the process by which the new species develop from the existing the species is known as the speciations. It is an event that splits a populations of the some species into two independent species which cannot reproduce among them. The cases of the speciations. First one is genetic draft. Genetic draft, it is the occur due to the change in the frequencies of the particular genes by change alone. If a hurricane strikes the mainland and the bananas with the beetles, egg on them are the washed away to an island. And bananas with the beetles, eggs on them are the washed away to an the island. This is called a genetic draft. Genetic draft is the evolution of new species because of ge- uh, geographical segregations, natural selection. These are variations caused in the individuals due to the natural selections which lead to the formation of a new species. To the formation of a new species, if the ecological conditions are slightly different on the island and compared to the mainland, it leads to the change in the morphology and the food performance in the organism over the courses of generation. So, dear student, at the natural selections, there are the variation caused in the individual due to the natural selections, which lead to the formation of a new species, which lead to the formation of a new species if the ecological conditions are slightly different on Iceland compared to the mainland. It lead to a change in the morphology. What do we mean the morphology? And footprints in the organism over the occur of the generation. Splitting of the population. So splitting of the population, a population is split into the different subpopulation due to the geographical isolations that is lead to the formations of a new species. A population is split into different subpopulation due to the geographical isolations that leads to the formation of a new species. So dear students, the third situation and splitting of population is complete. The next class, the remaining topics we complete for this chapter, and today your class test, online class test. So I provide your question paper and a PDF file and complete every slides and every note down in your copy and send me. So thank you for and be very careful.